Hey guys, Arijit here and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about what you need to learn in terms of email marketing software. In my previous video, I've already explained how you need to set up your email automation follow-up sequence so that you don't have to work on this email marketing portion for a longer period of time. You just set up those campaigns and everything is going to be fine. But thing is, you need a software to do that. And today I'm going to explain what software is the best that I'm working right now with, and most importantly, how I got into this software. So how you can get benefited from using this software as well. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you can see from my screen is email marketing software that is called SendinBlue. So this is not similar to what you people know or even like you are familiar with. This software is basically used for email designers, email automation, content management, even for transactional messaging. Even you can send SMSs with this software. That's cool, right? So I'm going to explain how you can use this software in terms of building your affiliate marketing assets on the internet and leverage all the things that you can make out from this. So let's see what is this software all about. Before I go into this, if you like this video that I'm putting so much time into making and even publishing on the internet, this is quite out of the box videos. You can understand no internet marketer is telling you what you need to do. They are all explaining how much they have made, 5 grand, 10 grand, 50 grand, 60 grand in a 1 month situation, and they don't explain how you should do it. They are just basically explaining all the generic stuff that you already know. They're telling something like you need to send emails, you need to do blog comments, you need to do forum posts. That's it. But the thing is, what's going in the back end, they only know, and you don't understand or how to do this, and that's why you don't get success. So these videos are basically to guide you through a path and make possibly make something for yourself, as well as make you people identify that internet marketing is not a scam. First thing, it's a real business that's going online right now. With this digital age, everything is going online, right? So you have to understand that in order to make success with email marketing or even affiliate marketing, you have to work hard in this. You cannot just set up one landing page, send traffic to that landing page and get direct sales from that. That's not going to happen. You have to nurture your clients, nurture your leads, or even I should say nurture your customers, so that they identify your brand as a trustable brand. That is what I'm going to teach you how to do that. And within in a week 5, I guess that's the last week that I'm going to teach you about traffic, how to generate traffic and everything. Before that, I'm going to show you what I do in terms of affiliate marketing and what you should also follow up. So before that, just subscribe to my channel if you like these videos, and do hit the like button so that I get a feeling that you people like such videos that I'm putting into. And let's see what happens. I hope you people also make success with affiliate marketing. Even I am doing this, so why not you people, right? So let me just dive in how I got into the software. Last night I was checking with MailChimp. In my previous videos, I've already talked about MailChimp, get response, everything, right? But the thing is, last night I was going through some campaigns in my MailChimp, and suddenly that MailChimp account got suspended. So I talked with the representative of MailChimp and everything was fine. But the thing is, they are not giving me a proper resolution as to what I should do. They just sent me an email and told me, sorry for the inconvenience. You have to look into different email marketing platforms, and that's it. So I have to change all the details, all the transactional details, all the customer lists, import that to this. This is a free one, so I'm using this one. I'll put a link down in the description so that you get a free version of this. And they already have quite decent amount of pricing for their email marketing automation. You can check it out. I'll put a link down there. Before that, I'm explaining what this software is all about, and let's get right into how you can use that. Okay. So this is email marketing software. It has a email designing automation system that you can use to create landing pages within email. So that is quite cool. and you can do that with no skills required, drag and drop. The main facility of this is drag and drop facility. All email marketing tools does have that, so nothing to brag about this application. Next is contact management. This has a contact management system of you can have all your lists right in the contact details like this one. You have all your email list that you can see from here. I have already generated some amount of traffic with this list and quite a few amount of money as well. So that is that. Then you can campaign reporting. You can see from the reports how much campaigns, which campaigns are generating traffic for you, which campaigns are getting the most clicks, everything like that. This has an A/B testing facility as well. So marketing automation is what I'm going to talk about, is something similar to that IFTTT software, right? I don't think you people might know, but some of you might know what is IFTTT. So apart from that, I'm going to explain all the generic stuff in this video about how you to use this application. In my next upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to use this application properly. This is the transactional video, transactional message setting that they have, that how much profit you made, how much traffic you generated, what clicks. That means it can be delivered to this email sequence can be delivered to Gmail and any kind of email software. So this is that, and then it can be integrated with the WordPress, Shopify, Facebook. That's quite cool. So yeah, this is the software. In this software, I'm going to explain you what you need to do and how you can set up campaigns, different campaigns, how to automate those campaigns, and everything of that sort. So before that, let me just show you how to create an automation sequence. First, you have to click on contacts. After you click on automation, then you click on contacts, and you have to create a list. In this list creation, just click on add new list, and all the list details would be created from here. You can add contacts from here, or you can just name the list that you want to create. Say for example, if you're doing weight loss, you can set 3-week diet list, something of that sort. You can just create that, then click on add to contact, and your list will be created. After that, you have to go to automation section, and you just create new workflow. In this section, you can see different actionable steps that you can do with this. You can custom workflow, you can create your own workflow, you can use their own template from the SendinBlue provider. You can use that. You can use the welcome message. You can send email as soon as people subscribe to your list. That is what we are going to do. Then you can send email based on their anniversary date. That means if they have a birthday, you can send an email. This works with e-commerce basically. So you send them a coupon on their birthday, and they purchase from your email. So that is that. Then you can create emails based on page visit. If people visited a specific page on your website using a tracking link, they will provide you a tracking link. You just have to set that tracking link to your header section of the web page, and when people visit that particular page, you can send an email right away. That is quite cool. Then website event, if people click on a specific button, then you can send them email without even creating an automation. That is quite cool. Then is product purchase. This is e-commerce again. Marketing activities, send emails based on whether your contacts have opened the email that you sent previously, or even clicked on the link that you provided in your previous email. Then transactional activity is based on whether contacts, same as marketing activity, if they opened or even clicked on a link. Then abandoned cart is quite similar with Shopify owners. If any of my viewers are from Shopify owners, then you can identify like what is abandoned cart. If people have checked out your product, they went to the cart page but they did not purchase, so that is why you need to send them emails on a regular basis. That is called abandoned cart checkout. So I'll show you one email marketing automation that I created, and you can see from here like what needs to be done, so you get a better idea of how you can do this. I'll teach you everything, so don't worry. These are the automation emails that I have created. So you can see from here a list of like 20 or more automation emails that I'm sending to a specific list. And you can see from the name also 16,000 plus autoresponders. So this is quite crucial in terms of building brand, in terms of building trust among your customers. So this is the first email when any contact gets added to that particular list, this email would send to them. Then I'll wait for 3 seconds and this first email would get sent. Then for 1 day I'll wait. If you remember from a previous video, I've talked about what is the follow-up sequence that you need to implement with email marketing or affiliate business in general. So in day one you send a fact one email, in day two you send another fact email. So I'll show you what I taught in my previous video. If you remember this slide from my previous video, this is what you need to do in terms of building trust. You will send emails on not on a regular basis, but uh, frequently. You won't send emails like 1 minute after another. That won't work. So you have to send emails based on days. First day you have to send one welcome email. Second day follow up fact email. Third day fact email. You have to give value first, then you can send them to directly to your landing page. So this is what I am doing right now with my affiliate business. I'm sending incentives or facts or free bonuses in my first 3 emails. Then I'm sending them the purchase link so that I get traffic directly to the affiliate program page or product page. So this is what you need to do. In my next upcoming videos, I'm going to talk about how you can set up your email marketing sequence and integrate that with your landing page builder. So I've already put down all the links that you need to start off. Those are all free. You don't have to pay anything. But if you already have an email marketing sequence, just hit me up in the comment section down below if you feel any problem that you are not able to figure out on your own. So I'll help you out with that, and I'm not going to explain all the things in this one particular video. This is just to give you an idea of what email marketing software you can use and how to use that as a workflow. Other than that, I hope you guys are doing quite well and join me in this journey towards affiliate marketing success of me teaching you guys how to make money online properly, and hope to see all of you make some amount of money so that you can help out with whatever you have problem. Let's hope the best, and I will catch up with you guys in my next video.